In the world of automotive restoration, paintless dent removal has emerged as a groundbreaking technique, and Beyond the Surface delves into the transformative capabilities of this method. Here's a closer look at how PDR achieves seamless results and why it's becoming the go-to choice for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. Precision technique. PDR involves the meticulous manipulation of dents and dings from behind the metal surface, allowing for a highly precise restoration. Skilled technicians use specialized tools to gently massage and reshape the metal, ensuring a seamless finish without the need for fillers or repainting. Preservation of factory finish. One of the standout features of PDR is its ability to preserve the original factory finish of the vehicle. Without the use of paint or fillers, the technique maintains the integrity of the paint job, resulting in a flawless and undetectable repair. Time-efficient solution. Beyond the Surface emphasizes the time efficiency of PDR, with many repairs completed in a fraction of the time required for traditional dent repair methods. Quick turnaround times mean that vehicle owners can enjoy a restored and pristine appearance without extended downtimes. Cost-effective alternative. The article highlights the cost-effectiveness of PDR compared to conventional dent repair. By eliminating the need for extensive bodywork and repainting, PDR offers a budget-friendly solution for achieving seamless results. Versatility across vehicle types. PDR is applicable to a wide range of vehicles, from compact cars to luxury sedans and SUVs, showcasing its versatility in addressing dents on various surfaces. Paintless dent removal goes above and beyond traditional methods, providing a precise, time-efficient, cost-effective, and versatile solution for achieving seamless results in automotive restoration. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-25-15338. That's 208-25-15338, or send email at eric@therateofgemstaterepair.com.